I've just fallen down. Fortunately for yourself, you didn't hurt anything, which is good. So you're still capable of lifting yourself up. From this position, you're gonna try to find a way to come onto your forelegs.
Okay.